Fair warning, peeps. Hello. This one's going to be a boring one. Is it a boring one? I don't know. That's the risk you take. Which way are you going, Wilkins? Left, right, right, left. What? I really don't know. Wait. What? You gotta be going right. Good luck. Red light, red light, red light. Yes, do you ever do that? You know, when you're in a gear way too high for what you're doing. You're pulling off at a roundabout, but you get stubborn. You pull that clutch in, you heck it out. And you start talking to your bike. I have faith in you. Weak, I know. What are you doing? That was loud. That's fine. I'm overreacting. It's morning. See, established motovloggers, I don't think they have. You know, they have people commenting on their videos. They have people commenting and asking questions and stuff like that. I mean, I don't know how they ever run out of things to talk about. But me, I think I've been talking to myself for over a month now and I'm running out of things to say. Ignoramus! I nod at you. Don't care if you're a learner. Doesn't get it. Doesn't get that biker life, bro. So, afternoon, peeps. I kind of want to ask you a silly question. The most pointless question I've heard in ages. Do you snore in your sleep? How the fuck am I meant to know whether I snore in my sleep? I don't know. I fucking never had myself sleep. I only bring this up because, my God, my missus last night, she did this thing where the snoring started after being in bed for, well, I like to read at night, so I was reading a bit. I read for about half an hour, so she gets a half-hour head start. So she took that half-hour head start and started snoring like a fucking buzzsaw. And, excuse me, concentrate. And, well, did all the tricks that you do, you know. Cold foot on her calf, nothing, stopped snoring for a couple of minutes maybe. And then, concentrate. Next one, when you roll over so aggressively the whole mattress bounces. Again, stop snoring for a couple of minutes. What's the one after that? Oh yeah, gentle shake on the hip. What happened there? Yeah, she came up for a couple of minutes again. And then, what the hell is going on here? And yeah, the same thing. Shake, came up for a couple of minutes, and then snoring started again. And by this point, it'd been about an hour, and I was literally like, do you know what? I might have to go to sleep on the couch. I don't know if this is happening. And so yeah, concentrate. Filter. So yeah. Next one after that, oh, that's tightening down. Here we go. Ready for a sneaky one? Off we go. So finally I got to the point where I literally started talking to her. Love, turn over. Please turn over. Nothing. So I literally got to the point where I needed the toilet again, so I went to go to the toilet. Came back, and you know, she bloody turned over as I gone to the toilet, and then I got to sleep. So after like an hour and a half, finally got some sleep. Anyhow, that's that one out the way. I know I say this quite a few times that this one's just going to be a shorter one, but this one really is. I've by the time I post this, I've just been on holiday for a week and a half. Gone down to see some friends in Cambridge for a long weekend, so yeah, talk about snoring for 5 minutes and I'll be about it. Okay, don't go in the bus lane, don't go in the bus lane, don't go in the bus lane. You can go on the line, I suppose. Okay, that was cheeky. Oh well. So this is actually turning out to be an awesome ride home. Oh, you're thinking about it. You're thinking about it. Go round him, love. There you go. How does that feel? You feel better? Brake. Brake, brake, brake. Look at that gap! It's so tempting! Fuck it. We are young. Doom, ba-doom, boom. Come on, lights, my coughs are killing me. So, some of you might recognise this road. Ooh, fuck. Wrong gear. It's that time of night again. Catch you later, dudes. Ride safe. I'll see you in the next one. I swear to God, if this doesn't work, I'm just doing a helmet review.